Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about Vlookup. I'm going to use Excel for this, but you can also use Google Sheets. So Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. What this means is this formula scans vertically on column to extract data. I'll do some example here, then we can move on to Vlookup. Okay, for instance, I've created a table here. In this table, suppose I want to find the price of certain product. Then what I'll do is, for instance, I want shoes. I'll write shoes here, and then I'll scan for shoes here. Then I'll correspond it with the price. So $60 here. That's it. So this is the value. I don't want currency here. I want general. Next, if I want something else, suppose I want phone here, then I'll change it to phone. Then I'll scan this table, find phone, and correspond it with the currency. So 95. So I'll write 95 here. This is good. But suppose if this table is very big, like it's got thousands and thousands of data, then you can't keep scanning this manually. It will go on and on and on. In this case, we'll have to use formula. So VLOOKUP is the perfect formula for this one. To use it, what you do is press equal to, then VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is there, then a bracket. Now we need lookup table, lookup value I mean. Lookup value means the value which you want to scan. In this case, we'll scan this value. So we'll just press this, then comma. For table array, we'll use the table which you want to scan in. So we want to scan in this table. So we'll select all this, then comma. Now column index number. Column index number means the number of column which you want to scan. So we want to scan this value and correspond it with the price. So we'll do price 1, 2, 3, 4 number column. So we'll put 4 here. Remember, don't put the column value instead. Don't put D, it won't work. You need the column value 1, 2, 3, and 4, comma. Now range lookup. What this means is true is approximate match, false means exact match. So if we choose false, which is 0, then it will match exactly that value only. Instead, if we use true, it will go for approximate match. So some difference will also be considered. In this case, we'll try for exact match. So we'll use 0 here. Remember, 0 is exact match, 1 is approximate match. So that's it. Now this. Now let's change this and see if this is working. So we'll find laptop here. So let's scan for laptop. Its value is 31.5. It's 31.5 here. So it's working fine. Let's try something else. Phone. PHONE. 95. This one has 95. So it's working very good. What this formula is doing is it's scanning for the value in here in this table, and then whatever it finds, and it's corresponding it to the column value which we used 4, and it's giving us the value. Now we can also use this for other purposes. Here what I want to do is I want to scan for something here from this table. For example, I'll choose shoes here. SHOES, shoes. Now for price, I'll use VLOOKUP. Is equals to VLOOKUP lookup value is this one, comma, table arrays, all of this table, comma, column index number is 4, 4, then I want false, so that there's exact match. Enter. So shoes is 60, so it'll find 60. Now if I want to buy some units of shoes, multiple units, let's say 6 units, then what I can do is I can find the total here using this simple formula, equal to this column times this column, equals to 360. Now if I want to change this, let's say I want to buy clothes instead. CLOTHS, clothes, value is automatically changed. So we have 25.5 here. This will be 25.5 and this will be exactly correct. So in this way, many companies like Amazon and all the other shopping companies, they can use this formula to calculate the units and total value. We can also use Vlookup with data validation. What this means is, in this case, we have to type these products that we are scanning. Instead, what we can do is we can put all of this in a list box. To do that, select the column here first and then go to data. In data, we have data validation here. We'll go here. Now, in allow, we'll choose list because we want list. And here in source, we have got this button. We'll press, this will come. Now here we will select all the columns that we want to put in the list. Here we want these columns. So we'll select this and press enter. And here, okay. Now we have list here. So we can choose anything here. We can choose font. We can change it to toothpaste. Now let's use VLOOKUP here. Go to VLOOKUP. So lookup value is this column, comma, table is this whole table including the headings. Then again comma, always remember the commas because if you forget a comma then it will give error. Column index value is 4, then exact match is 0. So toothpaste is 7.5. Now let's put quantity 4. Now for total we can just copy this, Control C, Control V. So 7.5 times 4 is 30. Now we can change this here to cosmetics and we'll change to 75. Cosmetics is 75. 4 times 75 is 300. So this is very easy. One more thing, VLOOKUP, what it does is it scans vertically and whenever it finds the first value, then it will automatically give the result. What I'm trying to say is, if you had another column here called laptop and you add something else here, then you have something else here, 20, then its value is $100. Then if I select for laptop here, then it'll give 31.5. What it means is, like, whenever it starts to scan, it scans vertically and finds the first match laptop here. So it won't go any further now. It will just give its value here. That's a limitation, but it's also advantage. So however you use it. So that's all. Thank you for watching.